Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is a cook with me and it is veggie chili. So if you're curious to know how I made it, then stick around. So on this day in particular, it was very windy and I tried to capture some of that through my bedroom window. So it was really cold and really windy, and I just wanted to make a big pot of chili. And since I'm trying to make a lot of meatless meals, I figured I would show you guys my Meatless Monday veggie chili. So these are the ingredients that you will need. You can use any kind of beans that you want, whether it is pinto beans or black beans, red kidney beans, great northern beans. It's really just up to you. So I just start off by dicing up an onion, and I believe actually I used 1.5 onions for this recipe. That was only, sorry for the shaky camera. So I only used 1.5 just because I had half of an onion in my fridge and I wanted to go ahead and use it up along with a whole onion. And I have some oil heating up in the pot because I'm going to saute the bell peppers and the onions. So the recipe is pretty easy. It's pretty self-explanatory after this point. After the bell peppers and onions have cooked for about 15 minutes or so, just depending on how high your eye is, I just started adding the rest of the ingredients, the beans and the tomatoes, the tomato sauce, the tomato paste, the chili powder. I do believe I ended up adding a little bit of garlic powder, but I didn't show it. I'm not really sure. I also added salt, and there's me adding the salt. So I just cooked this on, I would say, medium heat for about 30 minutes, give or take. Basically, as soon as it starts to lightly boil or bubble, basically, you don't want it to overcook because it will, scorch on the bottom of the pan. But just keep stirring it every 5 to 10 minutes, just making sure that it's not sticking to the bottom of the pan because it will do that. So yeah, that's basically it. I also will show you in just a few minutes on what we eat with our veggie chili. We are not vegan, we are not vegetarian. I just like to make meatless meals every so often. We eat meatless meals at least 3 days a week, but I usually do a cook and clean with me, but I decided for this video I would just make it a cook with me. So here's everything that we eat with our veggie chili. I like to eat sour cream, and so does my husband. My girls like to eat Greek yogurt. All of us eat the cheddar cheese. My oldest daughter loves these plain tortilla chips, and everybody else loves these chips. We used to get the ones from Trader Joe's, but now we get these from Aldi, and they're pretty much just the same. So yeah, if you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys have ever made veggie chili before. I would love to know your recipe and what you do different. You can add whatever you would like to this recipe. I've added mushrooms before. You could add a clove of garlic or just whatever you like. All right, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.